Today I'm going to make a broccoli quiche. This is similar to the recipe that I have in my Palate in the toaster oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. So delicious and so simple. I'm starting with 5 eggs, a half a cup of mayonnaise. Yep, that's right. I'm going to add a few grinds of pepper, now whisking together well, make it nice and smooth. Now I'm adding 2 cups of a cooked mixture of chopped broccoli, chopped onion, and chopped mushrooms, plus 2 tablespoons of chopped Kalamata olives. Ooh, let's mix this up. Pour it into a prepared pie crust, sprinkling with a half a cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese, plus 3/4 of a cup of ground walnuts. I just want to smooth this in a bit, like this. My toaster oven has been preheated to 350. Popping the pie into the toaster oven. Okay, that was 30 minutes for this beautiful broccoli quiche. So what we have here is this wonderful combination of the broccoli and onion and the olives, together with the cheese and the toasted walnuts. And I have to say that in using mayo, you can't really taste it, but what it does is make the quiche very light and fluffy. And this is a beautiful meal. And this recipe is one of over 250 delectable recipes from my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven. So if you have a toaster oven, give this a try. And if you don't have a toaster oven, consider getting one. Think of all the wonderful things you can make without heating up your kitchen.